What's going on, guys? Mixed here, back again for another summer cocktail. It may not feel like it in the UK at the minute, you can hear the rain outside, but we'll continue on to cheer you up. So this is the classic British G&T, but I'm using this specific gin from York Gin. I got this from York, a very highly rated gin, so we'll see what all the rage is about. So the flavour I've gone for is a Roman fruit, so I can't wait to try it with a tonic water mixed in with raspberries, as hopefully it'll turn out great. But there's nothing more British than a classic G&T. So to make this version of it, it's simple. So get your balloon glass and put in 60ml or 2 ounces of gin. I'm using York Gin Roman Fruits. Smells nice, one thing I will say. So with York Gin, it is. Right, so with the York Gin, it's 700ml, I've got a 42.5%. And with this Roman fruit, it is the juniper led dry gin infused with fruits and flowers associated with ancient Rome itself. Ooh. Including strawberry, blackberry, apple and hibiscus. Served with a premium tonic or lemonade, a fresh strawberry and raspberry garnish. So what I'm going for a garnish one. But it's very free, it's one thing I will say, it smells it. So if you've ever been to York, I do recommend it. Like I said, this is my first time of trying it. I brought it back from York and finally I've got around to tasting it. So let's get straight into it. So get your jigger, and again, 60ml, 2 ounces of a Roman fruit York Gin. Beautiful. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the ice to it first. So next one I'm going to do now is add in some raspberries. Make it a nice little garnish. Add some ice on top of that. And what we're going to do now is top it up with tonic water. You can use lemonade if you prefer, if you don't like the bitterness of the tonic water, but on this channel we are traditionalists, so it'll always be tonic water. Because say if you're, what's the word I'm looking for here? So if you like your bitter tasting drinks, this is for you, the classic gin mixed in with tonic water. Because I like the bitter taste. As I've got older, I prefer the bitter palate. But I can appreciate it's not for everyone. So if you wish, you can use lemonade. I do recommend Cillian lemonade, that's a nice one to go for. What we're going to do now is add in more raspberries. Nice. For the final time, just add in a couple more ice cubes. There we go. And it's real simple as that. That is your classic G&T but with Roman fruit. So this is your Roman G&T. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. One Roman G&T. How does it taste? Certainly feel that gin kicking through, so a nice floral taste, especially with the fruits mixed in. That's what I'm tasting. I think the strongest one is probably strawberry, but you can taste the raspberry tasting notes in it along with the strawberry. That's the biggest kick that I'm getting out of it, it's the strawberry tasting notes in the gin. but it's absolutely crisp. You just cannot beat Fever Tree, especially for the tonic like that. It's just a classic one. Many different variations of the tonic that Fever Tree do as well. But for me, they're just up there, they're fantastic. I could drink this all day, especially on a nice warm summer's day. You cannot beat a gin and tonic, and you got many ways of going about it. It's classic because you can make so many variations of it. So you can have fun with it, like from a lemonade, or you can even go for this as well. So silly and lemon if you want to go for like a lemon tasting gin. Or you can go more floral or more fruity, more zesty, whatever suits you, whatever floats your boat. You can just play with gin, and that's what I love about the classic gin tea. It's so simple but so effective, an absolute classic British summer cocktail. So this is summer cocktail number 5 for 2023, the Roman Gin Tea. And doesn't it deliver? That is an absolute beautiful gin, and one thing I will recommend, it makes a brilliant gin tea. That is a solid 9 out of 10 from me. Beautiful. And the best thing about it, it's not that bitter either. So whatever they're doing with your gin, they're doing it right. It's absolutely fantastic. So you're not really noticing the flavours where the bitterness of the tonic water mixed in with gin is that, and gin is a bit of spirit. But that is beautiful. It's not overpowering. You got plenty of tasting notes with it. Absolutely beautiful. But that, my friends, is the Roman Gin Tea. Do let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this gin tea? How is your favourite way of having the classic gin tea? Or what's your favourite gin? Give me your favourite gin brands. What type of gin do you like? Do let me know. Or any classic gin cocktails like the Ramos Gin Fizz. That's a beautiful one as well. If you ever had that cocktail, maybe I'll experiment with it as well. But that, guys, has been the Roman Gin and Tonic. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mixed, as we're so close to our 2K, as I will have a big video planned for it to celebrate 2,000 subscribers on the Mixed channel, as we're very, very close now, as we're only 3 subscribers away. Can we do it this weekend? So if we do, I will have a special video planned in the very near future, so stick around for that. But I've been Mixed, this has been the Roman Gin Tonic, and I will see you guys for the next summer cocktail. Cheers. British summer, don't you absolutely love it?